So now let us understand what are fossil fuels. Fossil, as the name suggests, when some plants or animals die, they get deposited under the layer of the soil. So that are called fossils, means dead remains of plants and animals. So the resources which are formed from the decomposition of dead remains means leftover of living organisms like dead plants and animals are known as fossil fuels. All coal, petroleum and natural gas, these are fossil fuels because they are formed by decomposition of dead plants and animal waste buried under soil over millions of years ago. So these coal, petroleum and natural gas are made up of from fossils, so they are known as fossil fuels. Got it? Now let us first learn about coal. What is coal? In general language you call it koila. Have you seen coal? It is a black color substance. You can have look at the picture. You must have seen coal. It is like a rock structure and black in color. So that is coal. So now let us understand how coal is formed. So about 300 million years ago, Earth had dense forest. Means Earth had dense forest, and due to natural processes like flood came and that whole forest get buried. There was a dense forest on Earth, and about 300 million years ago, due to floods, the forest get buried under the flood. Okay. So as the time passed, soil deposited on it over years ago, year and year, the soil get deposited on the dead vegetation. Okay, and that vegetation got compressed. Means if there is a vegetation, soil was coming over it and it got buried. Okay, so when the vegetation is there and a lot of soil keep falling on it, so there is a high pressure and high temperature. So under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants and vegetation slowly converted into coal. So these dead plants and vegetation buried under the layers of soil, slowly it got converted into coal. Coal is mainly composed of carbon. Coal is a form of carbon. Okay, got it? So the process of slow conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Okay, when slowly the dead vegetation gets converted into coal is a form of carbon, so this process is called carbonization. So the coal is formed by the process of carbonization, slow conversion of dead vegetation into coal. Okay, as coal is made from dead remains, means dead leftover parts coal is made from, so it is a fossil fuel. That is why it took millions of years for the formation of coal. So by the dead remains, so it is known as a fossil fuel.